Hi there, my HigopiCo friends! One of my lovely subscribers asked me if I could show you how I create these mockups for my surface pattern design, and so I put together this quick Photopea tutorial. Go to photopea.com, which is a free online photo editor. First, open your file. You can do this by going to File, Open, and selecting your mockup file, or you can simply drag and drop the document into Photopea. Delete any branding layers from the mockup creator if they exist. To do this, click on the layer and then click on the little bin icon under the Layers panel. Go to File and open the JPEG with your pattern. Once the pattern is open, navigate to Edit, Define New, Pattern. This will add your pattern to the pattern fill options, even though you won't be able to see it immediately. Return to the mockup PSD file and locate the editable smart object where you'll insert your pattern. You can identify a smart object by the little square icon on the layer. Double-click on this layer to open it in a new tab. At the bottom, click on the New Adjustment Layer icon and select Pattern Fill on the top. This will open the Properties panel. Click on the pattern square to choose the pattern you previously added. You can scale the pattern up or down and adjust its position on the X or Y axis. Press Ctrl+S, then click back to the PSD file tab to see if you're happy with how the pattern looks. If you want to make any changes, go back to the Smart Object tab, click on the 3 lines icon, and adjust the settings. Remember to press Ctrl+S again to update the changes in the Smart Object. Repeat the same steps with all the Smart Objects where you want to apply your pattern. Some mockups allow you to change the fill color of certain layers. Double-click on such a layer to open it in a new tab. To change the color by sampling one from the mockup, switch back to the mockup file and double-click on one of the color squares to open the color picker window. Click on the color you want to sample and copy its hex code. Close the color picker to switch back to the layer where you want to change the color. Go to the New Adjustment Layer icon and choose Color Fill. The color picker tool will appear again. This time, paste the copied hex code there. Update the smart object by pressing Ctrl+S to see the changes. Repeat these steps for all layers whose color you want to change. In my mockup, I was able to change the background color as well. I chose light blue because I thought it would contrast nicely with my reddish pattern. Once you're done, save the document by pressing Ctrl+S. To export it, go to File, Export As, and choose either JPEG or PNG. Rename the file, click Save, and your mockup is complete. Some of my favorite sources of mockups are mrmockup.com, mockupb.com, and createsy.com. I'll list all of them in the description below if you want to have a look. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you found it helpful and if there is anything else you would like me to speak about in one of my future videos. See you in the next one. Ciao!